accruals and prepayments. Telephone. Bill. 2,100. This is a bill amount. On 31st March 2021. Paid 2,000. What do you think the double entry now? First entry for this. Yes, sir, then you tell me. I paid 2,000 to telephone company.
Debit expenses
Debit expense and
and the credit cash.
okay. Let me say debit telephone expense credit cash. How much? 2,000 and 2,000. Now you need to prepare the monthly accounts. So how much you will show as expense in the P&L? So then we already recorded 2,000. Now how are we to deal with this 100 now?
So 100 will be telephone expenses debit
Okay.
and payable account or accruals account.
So this is entry number 1. The entry number 2 will be, I will debit telephone expense 100 and I will credit accrued. We have a special name. Telephone expense 100.
So when this 100 is paid, so we will do
That we will reverse later. But now we are on which date? We are on this. Now we need to prepare.
So this entry,
Yeah.
we can make another way. Telephone bills you can see Qatar Electricity Water Company, right?
No. Telephone bill you won't
Sorry,
say he's a vendor.
Ooredoo.
Vendor yeah. No, even see here you cannot try to redo. Only where you can write, here you can write Ooredoo. For the vendor.
Yeah. So first entry.
Yeah, tell me the first one.
2,100 expenses debit.
2,001 okay.
Telephone expense
Telephone
debit.
expenses
Debit.
debit 2,000.
Ooredoo or supplier account credit.
Ooredoo. Okay. How much?
Credit 2,100.
No. Then that's more.
We didn't pay the.
You are not see.
Yes. Then I am making the cash payment entry. Ooredoo supplier account debit 2,000.
Then that's a duplication effort, no brother. What do you think the correct recording is?
Here already 100 and
Ooredoo 100 credit cash. This is the actual correct entry. Because at the end, the vendor, how much we really need to pay. The point we have done the cash transaction, do we need to worry about the vendor? We don't need to keep him in our accounts. When we need to keep, only when either we need to receive or we need to pay. Clear? But what you are saying is, I understood also. What he is saying is this. You will debit telephone expense 2,100 and you will credit Ooredoo 2,100. Then he will pass one more entry. He will debit Ooredoo 2,000 and then he will credit cash 2,000. Now brother, see these two entries. 2,100 credit, 2,000 debit. What is the net answer?
100 credit.
And that is exactly what this is.
The thing is, for example, before
Yeah.
you know, we are getting bills. It is monthly bills.
Hmm.
Or you do or Karama.
Karama, Ooredoo,
When
whoever.
it come, we are not paying of course before, not now of course.
Hmm.
If they will disconnect.
Hmm.
Now we are paying. Before what's happening is accumulating.
Hmm.
So in that case, what we do, we expenses debit accrued expenses credit.
Yes.
Then when we pay, we work with only accrued.
So
Cash.
here again, brother, the same scenario will continue. Now I need to pay only to how much now? 100. This is which date? 31st March. Let's say on the 5th of April. 5th of April, I have made a payment of 500 to Ridu. Now what will happen? I will debit Uridu 500. Credit cash 500. Now what will happen with the Uridu account now? Already I need to pay Uridu how much? 100. Now how much I paid? 500. Now Uridu, our sum of our money is sitting with Uridu. 400 will be net balance debit. So this is the type of interchanging scenario. So, but anyway, this example what we have written here is to interpret the accruals. Now let's talk about prepayments. I paid insurance 2,400 for the year ended. No, I won't say for the year ended. Yeah, no problem. Year ended 31st August 2022. But this payment happened on payment date 1st September 2021. My accounting year 31st December 2021. Now, can you do the calculations? How much is the expense related to insurance I should show to this year?
Insurance 2,400.
Yeah, how much expense for the 31st December 2021 as expense I should show?
So 3 months you have to take it as an expense. So 2,400.
How you came up with 3 months? Tell me that first. I will throw this on your head.
4 months, sir.
4
months.
4 months.
So 2,400 divided by 12 into 4.
Correct. So 2,400 divided by 12 comes how much? 200, no? Into 4 is
The
800.
expenses for that year.
So the double entries, at the time of I making the payment, I will debit insurance premium 2,400, and then I will credit cash 2,400. Now on 31st December, what must I do? On 31st December, I should transfer to debit to P&L as insurance expense. How much? 800. And then I should credit this to insurance premium account. Correct? Am I right? So what will happen now? I have insurance premium account. I paid cash 2,400. P&L 800. So when you balance this, $2,400, what is the difference here? 1,600. This is carried forward. And this is known as what?
Prepaid insurance.
Prepaid insurance. And balance brought forward. And this should be shown where?
And current assets.
Under current assets as under current assets as prepayments.
Prepayments.
Clear? That's all on accruals and prepayments. Now let's go to book. Where the book now? Please, without seeing the answer, can you try this question? My shook answer. The answer is Yada Iti. By the way, what's the time now?
Okay.
Another 10 minutes we can go? No problem, or stop? They are like, the wine toys. You know the wine toys? You know the wine toys? Madam?
Wine?
Toys. Ada toys madam, sir. Ada we makina wala, it's only round, bucker. Ada suwe shugul, budget buses. Ada same one
Pitää 2 ساعة بعد 2 ساعة.
خلاص. activity لا هذا this one illustration 1 இதே பார்த்தா கருத்து முடிச்சோடே நின்று prepares accounts to 31st December. Here, what is the very important point? Year end. Year end is very important. 1 January 2018, he pays a telephone bill of 60, which relates to a period October to December 2017.
That's the 2 months, huh? That's the one in 2017.
Into keep on Safari 3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
October, November.
question.
How much is accrued expense?
Which means this payment was made for the previous year.
Correct?
Correct? So in short that
So now when I prepare accounts for 31st December 2017, what is the situation? That's the question. Cash transaction took place when?
in 2018.
1st of January 2018. But when we are preparing our accounts, 31st
December
December 2017. On 31st December 2017, am I made any payment?
Nothing.
No. But had I incurred telephone expense or not?
Yes.
Incurred. How much?
So that 60.
60. So what do you think the double entry is?
So expenses debit,
Ah.
payable, accrual is credit.
Yes. That's all. Debit telephone expense, credit telephone bill payable, or credit accrued telephone bill. बस खलास
خلاص كده.
खलास किधर
And the number come?
नंबर
60 आता.
60 हवेली
60 only.
16 बस yes हुआ गुल और 16 relates to पीले का
3 months.